control. Henny with the soda. I've been on the road. Life been taking toll. I just wanna roam. I've been ready for them bad days. Tryna take it slower. Party on occasion. I should ease the weight off my shoulders. Yeah. I said we only getting older. Yeah. And tell me, are you coming over? I need to know.
Good afternoon. Today is 6/29/2022, and I wanted to make this quick video because it's almost July 1st, 2022, and that is when I'm going to really focus on my choices when it comes to eating, lifestyle, and anything that to protect me and my body. I've been making small changes lately, and one of those changes is intermittent fasting, which I was already kind of doing because I'm not big on breakfast, and I usually start my first meal at lunch. So I've been listening to Dr. Bird on YouTube, and apparently that is intermittent fasting. So I have my first meal at 1. I'll go home, cook dinner, and eat dinner, and I will stop eating around 7 or 8. And my next meal won't be until 1 o'clock the next day. So this is one of my meals. Actually, I made this last night, and it's a lot. I have my salad and my salmon. This is my go-to meal, and of course my water. And real quick, I wanted to show you guys this. Apparently it's a lot, but because of my multiple sclerosis, I'm having a lot of issues, and one of those things to combat one of those issues, muscle spasms, deficiency in vitamin B, I think, burning sensation, just a lot of little things that just so annoying. I mean, they call it a invisible disease for a reason, right? Like, everybody thinks you're okay having these symptoms and these issues which nobody can see or tell, right? So to combat some of those issues, I started taking multivitamin packs, and this is it. I started to open it, and I was like, wait a minute, let me show my viewers what I take, right? So this is pure. I got a 30-day supplies, and it was almost like, it was $120, $130, let's just say, round up, right? So this is it. Wait, can you see? What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vitamins, right? And they're not like small vitamins. I mean, this one is small, and these are big, especially, where's fish oil? Oh, I knew one was missing. The fish oil is the biggest, right? So I take all these. I don't take them every day. I take them every other day, and I have to take them one by one because it's a lot.
Lately I've been low down, losing all control. Henny with the soda. I've been on the road. Life been taking toll. I just wanna roam. I've been ready for them bad days. Tryna take it slower. Party on occasion. I should ease the weight off my shoulders. Yeah. I said we only getting older.
Oh my God, that is a lot. I couldn't imagine taking those every day. So every other day, I'm going to now enjoy my lunch because I am at work and only have an hour for lunch. So see you guys later. Rise and shine. It is 6:08, and this is the time that I usually wake up, and look who's waking up also. Say good morning. So it's time to wake up and get ready for work. I'm still doing my fast. I haven't eaten since 1 o'clock yesterday for lunch. However, I got a sweet tooth last night, or a craving, and I was literally in the kitchen looking for something to eat. The next time I'll eat will be 1 o'clock at lunch. So it's time to go to work and let's get it, right?
Lately I've been low down, losing all control. Henny with the soda. I've been on a roll, I've been taking toll.
So it's July 2nd, and we are starting our first morning walk of the new journey. The sun is awesome, and I wanted to continue to get this journey off right, and in doing so, me and Marley Madison here are up taking our morning walk. We're not gonna exhaust ourselves. We're only gonna get it in a little bit, 30 minutes, maybe 45 if we can, just to get some steps in. So I want to bring you guys along.
Lately I've been low down, losing all control, I admit it. All this Tennessee hit my limits. This might be all the year, let me finish. I get it, I know you tease me, love me for the leisure, only for the eve. See you searching for the meaning. Hate the way we treat this. Why you in a rush? Know you got no business leaving. Why you always leaving? Know you want that repeat. Yeah, it ain't no way around it. We got a danger about us. You got your way about you, not much to say about it. Still have your way around me. They say it was something special. Is it better where we left it? All this inside of my head.
So that is the end of the first week of this new journey. I want to make sure that you guys remember to subscribe and remember to hit that notification button so you won't miss any uploads. You guys have a blessed weekend. Happy 4th. So what are we doing out here? We're sitting in the parking lot.
Watching a fire.
We're getting ready to watch a fireworks show, right? We have Johnny.
Look.
Marley. It's pretty windy out here, right?
And cold, that's all.
Is it cold? It's not cold. It feels good to me, actually. I'm trying not to get nobody because there's a lot of people in the parking lot as well. But we're gonna show you guys the fireworks show on. See it with all the smoke.